Well, good morning YouTube. You join me on snowy Clee Hill. Just getting a bit of a walk in, get my daily exercise. The intention today is walk up to the summit, have a brew, not a picnic, and then walk back down again. Just while I let my heart slow down a bit in winter wonderland. Now I can't pretend that last bit wasn't a bit of a slog. You notice the glasses have gone away because they steamed up, the hat's gone. We just walked up there. Absolute winter wonderland. You feel like you're on top of the world. You won't sit on the GoPro, but I can just start to see brown Clee poking its head through the clouds over there. And our route lies up. Right, guys, we're up at the summit now. You can just see that coming out of the mist. We've only got about 50 metres of visibility, so I haven't done much filming. Just bumped into Anne here, who is Stuart from Clibbery Walks. And I am doing a thing called Show Us Your Brew. It's a hashtag that was created recently by a chap called Jiffy from Wild Camping Welshman. Jiffy's channel is absolutely excellent, and he's put this tag out to people to talk about men's mental health and show you making a brew and having a bit of a chat to the camera. At the moment I'm on top of Clee Hill, which is in South Shropshire. It's a snowy winter wonderland, and time to fire up the old Trangia and get the brew going. Yay! Definitely going now. Oh. I've finally got the Trangia lit. Not the easiest thing in these cold conditions, but she's going. I think the whole purpose behind this Show Us Your Brew is to talk about men's mental health, and I think we all suffer from mental health issues to a certain extent. There are people who've seen things that no one should ever see, really, in theatres of war and such like. But on a more sort of common garden basis, I mean, I myself suffer from anxiety a fair amount, and I think the overwhelming message is, guys, if you are suffering from mental health issues, just reach out, talk to some friends. I mean, I've got a fantastic group of friends, and we speak to each other nearly every day on video conference, and it just allows all of us to iron stuff out if we've got things going around in our heads which are upsetting us, and also we have some good banter. So I think the message is, guys, talk to your friends, and if they can't help you, really go and seek some professional advice, because You know, it's you're only here once, and you want to have as much good time as you can while you're here, so try and sort out any issues you've got. It just makes life easier for everybody. This little Trangia set that I've got here was donated to me by a friend who was no longer using it. It's probably over 30 years old, not massively different to the Trangias that are for sale now. The pans and the strainer ring are over there. I upgraded the pan to a non-stick, and I took the pans to a local anodising factory called Hard Anodising in Kidderminster, and they anodised them for me. So they're the original pans that have been upcycled. Everything else you see there is original. So yeah, it's still in service after 30 plus years. I absolutely love it. And the best thing about it is, one of my best mates, Gordon Jackson of the Shropshire Lad, hates Trangias. Shout out to you, Gordon. So we're starting to get the first bits of steam from the old kettle now. They're not the fastest things in the world, but today I'm not in a hurry. So it's time to add the Nescafe double choc mocha into the cup. I think we're going to go for a double shot today. Nice and sweet and strong. Get this down our necks and then get back. I'm probably a couple of miles from the car here, but it's all downhill. I've got to follow that track into the mist. I'm really regretting not bringing my sit pad with me this morning. Oversight on my part, but the old kettle's steaming away now. It won't be long till I make the brew. The cup, by the way, if anybody's interested, is from a company called Kapilka. It's made from plastic and wood fibre. I've had it for just over a year. I've got other cups of theirs, but this is my regular everyday teacup. Nice and big, and just enough to satisfy my thirst. I think that's enough. Oh. Wow, that's fantastic on a day like today. A bit hotter than I thought it was going to be. Ooh, feel that going down. And didn't make this with boiling water because I don't really want to hang around here too long because my fingers are feeling like they're about to snap off. Get sorted, get packed up. Coffee cup goes in last, and then I'll be on my way. Subject of men's mental health is a touchy one at best. Us blokes are generally reluctant to ask for help, and a lot of us suffer from mental health problems. I always suffer from quite a lot of anxiety, but generally keep it under control by discussing things with my mates. If you're struggling, just reach out, talk to your friends. You know, the first step when you're struggling is the most difficult one to make. But I know from personal experience, when I've been suffering and I've asked my friends, they've rallied round, they've been absolutely fantastic, supportive. So I'd urge you to do the same. Anyway guys, on that note, I'm going to finish my brew, get packed up and get off this hill, get home and light that wood burner.